In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail shortcut in Google Chrome easily. It's a convenient way to access your emails quickly without needing to navigate through your browser tabs every time. Let's jump right in. First off, you'll need to open Google Chrome. Make sure you're using a standard window here. Avoid incognito or guest mode, as we want the settings to stick. If you haven't already, you'll want to be logged into the Google account that you use for Gmail. This ensures you'll have seamless access once the shortcut is created. Next, navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Alternatively, if you're bookmarking a specific Gmail page, like a filter or label, simply head to that page. This setup lets you customize exactly where the shortcut will lead you, so keep that in mind if you're managing multiple Gmail accounts or settings. With Gmail open, look to the top right corner of your browser window for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button that gives you access to additional Chrome features. Go ahead and click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option that reads Save and Share. Hover over this option and then select Create Shortcut. At this point, a dialog box will appear asking you to name your shortcut. This is where you get the opportunity to personalize it, maybe with a name like Gmail or something more specific if you're creating shortcuts for different accounts. Naming is key, especially if you plan on creating multiple shortcuts, so choose something that will be easily recognizable. Now, pay attention to any additional checkboxes or options in this dialog. If you see an option like Open as Window or Install Pages App, go ahead and select it. This feature is really useful because it enables Gmail to open in its own window, devoid of the usual address bar and toolbar's clutter, giving it a feel almost like a standalone app. Once you've done that, click on the Create button to finalize adding the shortcut. You'll notice right away that the shortcut should now appear on your desktop. Depending on your operating system, it might also show up in your system's apps folder or launcher, giving you multiple access points. Congratulations, you've successfully added Gmail as a shortcut in Google Chrome. This little trick can be a real time saver, providing quick, one-click access to your emails every day. Whether you're dealing with loads of emails for work or just want a quick way to check your personal inbox, this shortcut is sure to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.